Hello friends, welcome to Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see the latest NSE BSE bulk deals. Friends, today we are seeing a major deals like AGC Networks and Care Ratings and Nandi Communications. Friends, Ebony Advisor pick up stack in AGC Networks. And friends, going forward, today we are going to see total details about this. Friends, these among key bulk deals, Ebony Advisor picked up stack in Azure Group's AGC Networks, while US-based First Pacific Advisor shuffled its holdings in Care Ratings between funds. That means exchanging of Care Ratings shares happened today. And friends, FPA Global Opportunity Fund A series sold 10 lakh shares of Care Ratings to Ascent International Value Fund at 521 rupees. And friends, the farmer offloaded most of the stack like 3.45% in that company. That means Care Ratings company sold their shares like Care Rating company shares held by FPA Global Opportunity. I think they majorly sold their total stack on September. And friends, next going forward, Ebony Advisor bought 2.5 lakh shares of AGC Networks at 764. The latter held 1.23%, means Ebony Advisor already holding this AGC Networks, and still it acquires 2.5 lakhs, means they are increasing their holdings in this company. And I looked into this company. I think it is an software IT side company and digitalization company and news based, I think. And going forward, next one is promoter. Pratish Nande bought 85,000 shares of Pratish Nande Communications at 22.94% per share, 22.94 per share. So friends, this is looking very attractive, like promoters itself buying stacks. And I looked in this company and I did some little research, and all are looking that COVID, after COVID, the newses and communications like TV, TRP ratings and all will going forward on digital media side, it will recover. So we can expect this Pratish Nande Communications also will get a good benefit going forward. And on an average, a CEO can take 3.3 million rupees per year, but in this company the CEO is taking only 2.8 millions. So Pratish Nande looking very great, and he is looking forward for his company. So we can expect Pratish Nande Communications share to buy tomorrow. And friends, Adani Logistics sold another 80 lakh shares of Snowman Logistics through two transactions, and it's not a bothered their restructuring plan of Adani Logistics. They are selling the stacks of Snowman Logistics. It's already a dealed thing between these two entities. And going forward, Hindustan Times bought another 45 lakh shares of Sutlej Textiles. Friends, I already explained yesterday that Hindustan Times bought 15 lakh shares of Sutlej Textiles from Earthstone itself. Yesterday also they bought Stone itself, and today also they bought 45 lakh shares of Earthstone, while Earthstone holding another 45 lakh shares of the company at the same price. So totally Times Hindustan Times bought 45 plus 15 lakhs, total 60 lakh shares of this Sutlej Textiles bought by Hindustan Times. and Hindustan Times already holding 5.98%, that means 6%. I think due to this total transaction they increased their stack holding about 10% in this company. So looking great, like Sutlej Textiles also will hit upper circuits tomorrow, and this one also Pradesh Nanded Communications already it hit upper circuit today, and tomorrow also it will move. And Paisalo Digital already we discussed 2 days back about SBI life insurance picked up stack nearly 10% in that company Paisalo Digital, and from 2 days it's hitting upper circuit. Friends, if you are still holding that company, sold tomorrow at a upper circuit or anywhere for profit booking. So friends, this is our view on NSE BSE bulk deals today, and you hope you will understand. Thank you.